but I can prove, his poetry can prove that he is the poet of the world. So here I thank you for this Diary Sahib and all the people who honored me to be here, and my many prominent people from my country, and thank you very much for you all who honored this occasion. I will say a few prose from Bidari's poetry. He first of all says, Sai Sadai Kari Mathe Sindh Sukar. Sai Sadai Kari Mathe Sindh Sukar. Dost Mitha Dildar. Alam Sab Abad Kari. He says, Oh my Lord, first you have for my sin where he is born, where he graces. Then he prays for the universe. He is the first verse in the Risala. So he is the poet for the world. And if we can get the opportunity to translate Bidai Sarkar in all languages, so that his poetry will himself prove that he is poet of the world. So I will only get some verses from his poetry. He says, he is the great poet because he is the poet of all occasions. In sorrows, in joys, in every opportunity, he has got the verse. So that is called the universal poet. He has a Risala that contains all the poetry which can be have a consolation for all the times. So he says, Tatiya Thadiya ka kane vel rehan ji. Tatiya Thadiya ka kane vel rehan ji. Mata the unda pe nalahi piriyo. He says, go and go and go again. Don't stop any place. If you are in this life, because this life is given by the God for doing something. For the humanity, for the world, for the universe. So don't stop at any place. If it is a storm, it's anything. You go for the humanism, for the universe, for the betterment, for the light of the universe. So this kind of message, when you will go, when you will get in your hands, you will be surprised, amazed, how this Shah in the corner of the sin, he raises, he arises, and then he goes, his verses goes, it lights the world. So many is a Risala of Shah Latif. If anyone can sponsor his translations in the worldwide, all languages, I think you will be amazed how this great poet is born in the corner of the Sindh, and the Sindh is that part where honorable many people have come and they have reached over there and they have gone to the bit of Shah. So they will explain. He says, I will say two more verses even. He says, Chakhe vani cho vati kanjak byaniji. And he says, Nihaya khani sikh monja sapari. He says for the patient, Nihaya khani sikh monja sapari, sade saro deen bahar bath na nikle. Insan zaat je laya hai, to unhe nihaya khan ॾिसो जेका सारो ॾींहुं तंदूर आहे जेके चइबो आहे सॼो ॾींहुं मंझंदि बाहि भरे थी पई पर हू ॿाहिरि बाफ़ नथो कढे इंसान पंहिंजा ॾुख ॿियनि जा ॾुख इंसानियत जा जेके आलम जा जेके बि मसइला आहिनि उनखे इज्तिमाइयत में सोचे ऐं उन निहाय वांगुरु पंहिंजो पाण में सभु दर्द सभु मयार सभु खणी ऐं आलम खे पंहिंजूं मोहबतूं ऐं सभु नेमतूं ऐं उन्हनि खां रोशनास कराए वो message है. This is a great message from the great poet. So I am very much thankful. Next time I can recite more. I can tell half of the Risala. So and you will be surprised. There are many villages in the Sindh. They villagers can explain the Bhitai in daily life, daily routine. हर गोठ में अहिड़ा गोठ आहिनि जो हिक ॿिए खे जवाब बि भिटाई सरकार जे वेतन में ॾींदा आहिनि. So thank you very much. So I will take more time. Thank you very much for such a.
Thank you, Mr. Bhatti. Mr. Bhatti is actually a poet. He's published numerous books in Pakistan. And so